Today, the simplest way of cooking absolutely perfect sausages. So let's do it. So cooking good old English bangers is obviously fairly simple, but with a little bit of extra attention and care, you can take the humble sausage from an 8 to a 10 each and every time. So the first step, you want to pop a frying pan onto the hob, turn the heat to medium, add a little splash of olive oil, and then lay in your sausages. Once the sausages are in, coat them in the oil, and then add a small pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Season them when they're in the pan so the salt and pepper sticks. Turn them over and another tiny touch of seasoning on the other side. And then the first step of the process, you want to gently cook them on a medium heat, turning them every few seconds so we get a beautiful even colour. We don't want to cook them too aggressively too quickly, or the outside will get too dark while the inside's not quite cooked. So take your time, keep them on a slightly lower medium heat. So at this point, you want to take a bulb of garlic, and we want about 4 to 7 cloves. Do not peel the garlic, we don't want it to burn in the pan. Just simply give the cloves a crush with the back of a knife, chuck some butter into the pan, throw in that garlic, then we want some aromatics. So you want to take some rosemary and some thyme, pop in a good few sprigs of each, give the pan a little shake, and then you can turn up the heat a tiny touch at this point. We want to get the sausages beautiful and caramelised, but we want the insides to be lovely, juicy and delicious. So give them another few moments, keep turning them, keep the colour even, and then after a total of about 12 to 15 minutes cooking time, we should be ready to go. We want the sausages deep, dark and golden brown. We want perfect even colour, a very humble ingredient elevated to perfection. So give it a try and I'll see you next time.